Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that came from a reader named James in Lakeside, California. Thank you, James. We got some Snapdragon Miso Rice Ramen. Weird. I don't know. It's telling me that it's savory and deeply satisfying, full of umami. Remove lid from bowl, open packets. Pour in over noodles, add hot water, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Let's have a look. I'm really hoping it's gonna be good, but I think this sounds like kind of I don't know. But you know, I've had Snapdragon stuff before, but it's been a long time. There were varieties I liked, and there are ones that I didn't. But a miso rice, the miso rice ramen, that's where it's getting me, because I don't think ramen can be a rice noodle. I think ramen and ramen basically translate to wheat noodle. I don't know. But this certainly is not a wheat noodle. But you know, we'll see. It says pour all this stuff over it, and that's what I'm doing. I'm doing exactly as I always do, according to package instructions. Here comes the goo. Smells like red miso to me. Not a fan of red miso, I'll say that right out of the side hatch. With the oils and perfumes and incense. I have no idea what I'm talking. I will admit I'm one for pretty obscure references. I know that Stumpy from Little Rock will know what that is, but it's not like he's listening. He might be around though. I could get him on the next episode. I don't know. It's 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it hang out for 4. What is going on with you folks on this lovely Friday? We've got, what is it? 2.2 trillions of dollars coming your way. Thanks to the nice people. Wait, that's you, right? People paid their taxes, then they got this. No, wait, it's quantitative easing. Yeah. So basically, they're printing more money, and they're giving it to you, which is good. Nobody's really mentioned that that generally is not a helpful thing, because when you devalue your currency, you can do it in such a way that it's like stuff's going so bad you end up, What are you doing? Oh, I'm cold. You're cold? Let's put another bundle of money on the fire. I've got $1 billion right here. That should last all night. Yeah, do it. That's what they did in World War II. The Germans inflated their currency. Like, you can really see it on postage stamps. Postage stamps that my mom would get. And, there he is on the stamp. It's like 42, what do they call them? Reichmarks. Third Reich, all that crap. And then you get towards the end of the war and it's just like 100,000 Reichmark stamps. And then 1 million and then 500 million. It's like, wow. If you're paying 500 million of your dollars to mail a letter from here to there, yeah, your currency, I mean, people always go like, wow, pesos aren't worth anything. If you had 100 pesos at the end of World War II in Germany, you were a freaking billionaire, quadrillionaire, bazillionaire. Yeah. Yeah, you could probably buy Germany for that part. But yeah, this thing we got going on right now is definitely unique. And luckily, it's not somebody's fault. I mean, granted, dude could have acted quicker. Things could have been less screwed up when all this happened. But it's not like somebody went, "Hey, let's spring this on the people of the world." I really don't think that there's any conspiracy there. And there's a lot of weird conspiracy stuff going around Facebook right now. There's one about how there's a virus vault in Wuhan where all these virological scientists work. They've got all these different viri that they do testing on and all this stuff. Is it possible that one got out? Sure, I guess, but I imagine it's China. They're pretty frickin' meticulous in China. The image of Asia that people have here in the U.S. compared to the reality of it is two completely different things. A lot of people are like, oh, well, they don't know what they're doing over there, and blah, 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 blah. No, that's here. That's here. They know what they're doing. They don't do anything without a plan. Yep. Hate to break it to you, but we're number one in people who have got coronavirus. So when you see a monster truck with a big old thing on the side that says USA number one, that's what it's talking about. Sadly, I guess. Kind of crummy. They say 80% of people will get it. So I'm just waiting. I figure when you think about it, at least when I think about it, they're saying something about how it's like, not enough hospital beds. So wouldn't you want to get the coronavirus and run through it as early as possible so you'd still have a hospital bed to pass out on and be sick on? I mean, what if everybody was like, hey, it's like chicken pox. Let's all get together. Jimmy over there, Jimmy's sick. Jimmy's got the sick, yo. Everybody, quick, go lick Jimmy. You'll get in the hospital like that, and you'll be there. You'll have the time, and before it's all, all gone. All I can say is I've been in some rooms with large amounts of people, and in those rooms, I'm not talking like recently, but the ideas that people swing in rooms when there's been drinking involved, I can't even imagine the ridiculous conspiracy theories there are out there. I really would love to have like a film book of people doing and saying all weird stuff. I think they don't really want that to come out, but well, the noodles are all right. They're nice width. This off. Let's try this broth. I need a straight hit of this miso broth. Okay, I get the miso. I'm getting it. But I'm going to tell you right now, that doesn't taste like any miso I've ever had. But it could be because of the rice gluten. Or, yeah. Let's make some magic today. You want to do that with me? You want to make some magic? Let's do it. All right. We're going to make some magic together right now. It's magic time, baby. So here are our rice noodles. The way it was saying is basically treat this like a bowl of miso ramen. So that's what I'm going to do. If I had a bowl of miso ramen right now, the first thing I'd do is take one of these cans of Costco. Maybe they're going to want to change the name of Costco products from Kirkland to something else from now on. Because Kirkland doesn't have the greatest name these days. Hey, have you heard of Kirkland? Oh, you mean the place where everybody died from the sick? Yeah, they might want to change that. Which is a shame. Kirkland's a nice place. I had a doctor's appointment yesterday in Kirkland. My doctor moved over there. Cool dude. Very cool dude. Shout out to Dr. Young. If you want to know, yes, my doctor is Asian. If that was what you were wondering, of course he is. Are you crazy? Of course he is. Why would you want anything but a nice Asian dude telling you what's up? And he does. And he's the reason I lost all my weight. There's nothing better than going and visiting that guy and him just being like super stoked and like last time he was just like, stop trying to lose weight. You moved a mountain. You're done. You're good. Stay where you're at. If you want to lose more weight, just do it in small increments. Don't go crazy. Don't kill yourself. Enjoy yourself. Smell the roses. I'm like, It's hard to do when you've been that motivated for that long and you're like trying to, be good. Being good is hard to do. Okay, there's egg. There's the corn. I've got some chashu that's gonna go on here. Yeah, this is going full bore. That's a big freaking piece of... Is this 2 slices? If it is, I'm gonna be mad. I think it was supposed to be. They just didn't feel like slicing it all the way through. There's that. And I want to get this egg more ponied up to this egg. Yeah. There we go. Kinda. Oh, get back up there. Yeah, bibbidi. Libbity bibbity. Okay. And then what else we got? We got some mung bean sprouts. Right about there. We've got some spring onion right about there. And now this is miso. So my favorite way to deal with miso is to make it with corn and butter. And the only problem is I don't know how really cold or warm this is anymore. So I don't think the butter's going to do all that great. Because you want the butter to look a little melted, you know? There you go. There's some butter. Butter makes it better. Well, let's see if I can get these noodles up on that butter. Get up on that butter. Oh, yeah. Get up on that butter just a little. Come on now. That's like... better. What else do we need? You want some sesame seeds? Why not? A little bit of that. And I'm gonna call it good right there. Ah, man. I'm so itchy. Why am I so itchy? I don't know. All right. A little more in the middle. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Keep your fingers out of the COVID-19. Alright, keep it smooth. Bye-bye.